Jolly Rancher tropical flavor. It's pretty new. Let's get it, let's go. First flavor coming up, golden pineapple.
How many
See how it
shapes are there?
tastes.
Make them go the same direction?
The pineapple flavor. It's very like big, very large flavor, you know. It's not bad. Like it could be better, you know, it tastes pretty artificial, but I'll take 7 out of 10. Now next flavor is fruit punch. Let's go. Alright, so that's actually that's so bad. Alright. Whew. That was a journey. 1 out of 10. That was terrible. No, never again. After the next one, this one's gotta be better. Next flavor we got is mango. Alright, y'all. I like the mango flavor. It's very good. However, in the beginning, you get a little plasticky taste. I don't really like that. So I'm gonna get like 6 out of 10. The last flavor is lime.